You gotta be kidding me, Tulsa.
The National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Benton County in northwestern Arkansas, west central Washington County in northwestern Arkansas, northern Adair County in northeastern Oklahoma, east central Cherokee County in east central Oklahoma, until 3:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:46 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Tahlequah, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include ping-pong ball-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Locations in or near the path include Tahlequah, Siloam Springs, Westville, Wass, Eldon, Proctor, Christie, Cincinnati, Barron, Lake Francis, Ballard, Weddington, Rhea, Summers. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm